Hello. In this tutorial I am going to discuss about the periodic properties and how they vary along the period and along the group. Now there are three periodic properties I discussed in my earlier tutorial: atomic radius, ionization potential and electron affinity. Now first let us talk little bit about atomic radius, and I have shown you one diagram also. It's a very schematic diagram of helium atom having two neutrons and two protons in the nucleus and two electrons orbiting. It is a very simplistic diagram, and atomic radius of helium is 31 picometer. Picometer is the unit of atomic radius. Basically atomic radius is very small, so we need a very small unit for atomic radius, and 1 picometer is 1 into 10 to the power minus 12 meter. So you can see in the diagram that two yellow color electrons, two green color neutrons and two red color protons. Now let us talk about their periodic properties. As we go along a period from alkali to alkaline earth all the way up to halogen and inert gases, the atomic radius decreases. That means the atom becomes tighter and tighter. Atomic radius decreases. That means that attraction between the positively charged nucleus and negatively charged orbiting electrons increases and atomic radius decreases. Ionization potential increases. That means you need more energy to remove an electron. That means again for the same reason, attraction increases. So ionization potential increases, and electron affinity also increases as we move along the period from alkali to alkaline earth to halogens up to inert gas. And for inert gas in the same period, atomic radius is the lowest, ionization potential and electron affinity are the highest in a period. And as we go down the group, atomic radius increases. That means between lithium and sodium, atomic radius of sodium is more. Ionization potential decreases. That means it will be easier to remove an electron because the distance between the outermost electron and the nucleus increases, so their attraction also decreases and electron affinity also decreases. So now you got the idea. And regarding their units, ionization potential and electron affinity, their energy, so their unit is kilojoule per mole or electron volt. So that is the unit, kilojoule per mole, or also called electron volt. There is a relation between these two. Don't worry too much about the unit right now, but I hope you got the concept. As we move along the period, atomic radius decreases, ionization potential increases, electron affinity increases for the same reason that the atom becomes tighter. The attraction between the outermost electron and the nucleus become higher and higher, and as we go down the group, the atomic radius increases, ionization potential decreases and electron affinity decreases for the same reason that the atom becomes bigger, the number of shells increases and the tightness reduces, the attraction reduces. So basically they are coming from the same point of view, from the same reason. The reason for which it is increasing along the period, it is decreasing along the group, or decreases along the period in case of atomic radius and increases along the group. So I hope now you got the idea about these three periodic properties and their units. Okay, that's all.